Ladies and gentlemen, you are still watching Project SOAR, series of online academic reviews on mathematics CLAID learning modules. Please click subscribe, like, and share to our official YouTube channel, MTM channel, in our FB page, Math Team, Mathematics Teachers Association of Mandaluyong. Mga batang mandunong, home learning partners, handa na ba kayo? And now, let me introduce to you our grade 6 teacher presenter. She took up Bachelor in Elementary Education at Philippine Normal University and earned her master's degree in elementary mathematics under MTOP scholarship program at National Teachers College. Mga batang mandunong, home learning partners, let's welcome Ma'am Jovi Salandanan.
Isang matsaya at matgandang araw sa inyong lahat. I am Teacher Jovi Salandanan, a grade 6 teacher of Eloyo Rodriguez Integrated School. I will be your lesson presenter for CLAID Module 7, Week 7 of Quarter 2. Handa na ba kayong matuto, mga batang mandunong? Tara, samahan niyo ako. Good day! This is Teacher Jovi Salandanan giving you another video lesson of Project SOAR. We will be having another advanced lesson in Mathematics 6, Week 7. For today, we will be having CLAID lesson in Quarter 2, Week 7. The topic is describing the set of integers and identify real-life situations that make use of it. Our lesson objective is, at the end of the lesson, you should describe the set of integers and identify real-life situations that make use of it. Before we start the lesson, let's have first a recap. Identify if the following real-life situations contain addition or subtraction. Write the word positive for addition and negative for subtraction. Let's have number 1. Justin's weight increased by 4. What do you think is the answer? Correct, it's positive. Number 2. The temperature today decreased by 6 degrees Celsius. The answer is negative. Tama. The elevator went up by 6 floors. The answer is positive. You are correct. COVID-19 cases in Pampanga dropped to 3%. What do you think is the answer? Negative. Tama. Terry lost 20,000 pesos in the casino. What is the answer? Negative. You are correct. In this time of pandemic, wherein we are only at home having our distance learning, do you still have your allowance? How much is your daily allowance? Is it enough for your daily needs? What do you do if you have shortage of allowance for the week? Karen is trying to budget her weekly allowance. Let us see how she does it. I have 350 pesos for my weekly allowance. This includes 150 pesos for my food, 80 pesos for my internet load, 50 pesos for my school supplies, 30 pesos for my savings, and 70 pesos for some miscellaneous, for a total of 380 pesos. But how can I deduct 380 pesos from 350 pesos? Karen could not subtract a bigger amount from a smaller one. This problem is one of the shortages or losses. Problem of profit and shortage, gain or increase, loss or decrease have led to the introduction of integers. What are integers? A set of integers is a set of counting numbers and their opposites, including zero. Let us show the integers using the number line. Sa gitna ng number line ay ang zero. Ito ang place of origin. Whole numbers greater than zero are called positive integers. These numbers are to the right of zero in the number line. They have the positive sign. Whole numbers less than zero are called negative integers. These numbers are to the left of zero in the number line. They have the negative sign. Some real-life situations can be represented using integers. They can be represented by positive integers and its opposite negative integers. Let's say, for example, gaining weight of 2 kg. Its opposite is losing weight of 2 kilograms. Moving 8 steps forward. Its negative integer is moving 8 steps backward. Going 3 kilometers upstream. Its opposite is going 3 kilometers downstream. Depositing 1,000 pesos. For its negative counterpart, withdrawing 1,000 pesos. Traveling 5 miles to the east. Its opposite, traveling 5 miles to the west. Do you know that integers can be used to represent real-life situations? Real-life situations can be represented by integers. Let's take, for example, this one. Gained weight of 2 kilograms. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng gained weight? Ibig sabihin, nadagdagan ka ng timbang. Kapag nadagdagan ng timbang, it means positive. Then kukunin mo lang yung number na 2, so it becomes positive 2. Another one. Lose weight of 3 kilograms. Ano ibig sabihin ng lose weight? Ibig sabihin, nabawasan ka ng timbang. So, pag nagbawas, it means negative. Then you get number 3, so it becomes negative 3. 8 steps backward. So, pag backward, umaatras. So, ibig sabihin, bawas. So, it's negative. Then you'll get number 8, so it will be negative 8. Number 1. 5 steps forward. So, pag forward, nagdadagdag ka. So, it becomes positive. Then, you'll get number 5. So, it becomes positive 5. Another one. Withdraw 5,000 pesos from the bank. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng withdraw? Ibig sabihin, naglabas ka ng pera sa bangko. So, nabawasan yung pera mo. So, pag nabawasan, it is negative. Then, you'll get 5,000. So, it becomes negative 5,000. Now, let's have some practice. Represent each of the following using integers. Let's have number 1. deposited 400 pesos. What integer can represent this situation? Positive 400. Correct. 56 degrees below zero. What is the integer for this? Negative 56. You are right. Gain 7 kilos. What integer can represent this situation? Positive 7. Tama. 250 kilometers north. What is the integer for this? Positive 250. Correct. 12 degrees Celsius below zero. What is the integer for this? Negative 12. Tama ulit. 16 steps forward. What is the integer for this? Positive 16. You are right. Decrease by 10 pesos. What is the integer to represent this situation? Negative 10. You are correct. 15 meters below sea level. What is the integer for this? Negative 15. Tama ulit. Wow, you are great. Let's have some more. Represent its real-life situation with an integer. Let's have number 1. Mary moves 3 steps backward as she dances. What do you think is the integer? Yes, it's negative 3. Robbie walks 15 meters forward to the hall. What integer can represent this situation? Yes, it's positive 15. Rene graduated from elementary 12 years ago. What do you think is the integer? Yes, it's negative 12. John deposited 200 pesos in the bank. What is the integer? Yes, it's positive 200. A team lost 7 points in a basketball game. What do you think is the integer? Yes, it's negative 7. Very good. Let's use the number line to show real-life situation using integers. Number 1, a gain of 3 kilograms. So, pag sinabing gain, nadagdagan. So, we will be having positive number. So, pag positive, it will be going to the right. So, we'll have 3 moves to the right. So, 1, 2, 3. And it falls on positive 3. Let's have the next one. Marching 4 steps to the left. So, it will be going to the left. So, we'll be going to the negative numbers. So, 4 moves to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it falls on negative 4. Decrease of 6 degrees Celsius in temperature. So when we say decrease, nagbawas, so it is negative. So we will be moving to the left of 0. So 6 moves to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it falls on Negative 6. Another one. Winning 7 points in a game. So when we say winning, it means positive. So we will be moving to the right of 0. 7 moves to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And it falls on positive 7. Let's have some practice. Refer to the number line to identify the integer. 4 units to the right of 0. So, magsisimula tayo sa 0. Going to the right. 4 units to the right of 0. So, 4 moves sa kanan. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, what is the integer? Correct! It's positive 4. Another one. 6 units to the right of negative 5. So, our point of origin kung saan tayo magsisimula is negative 5. Going to the right, 6 units. So, we'll count from negative 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the integer? Correct! It's positive 1. Let's have the next. 5 units to the left of positive 2. So from positive 2, we will be moving 5 units to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What do you think is the integer? It's negative 3. Correct. 4 units to the right of negative 2. So magmula sa negative 2, we will be moving 4 units to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And it falls on what integer? Positive 2. Correct. Let's remember the following. Set of integers is a set of counting numbers and their opposites including 0. 0 is neither positive nor negative. So, hindi natin sinasabing negative 0 or positive 0. You just say 0. Profits, gains, and increases are represented by positive integers. Decreases, losses, and expenses are represented by negative integers. It's time now to test yourself. Identify the integer described using the number line. Number 1. 3 units to the right of positive 1. What do you think is the integer? Positive 4. Correct. Number 2. 5 units to the left of 0. What is the integer? Negative 5. Tama. 3 units to the right of positive 6. What do you think is the integer? Positive 9. You are correct. Number 4. 7 units to the left of negative 7. What do you think is the integer? Negative 14. Tama ulit. Number 5. 12 units to the right of negative 5. What do you think is the answer? Positive 7. You are correct. Very good. That ends our lesson for the day. I hope you've learned a lot. Again, I am Teacher Jovi Salandanan. Thank you. Keep safe and have a great day.
Magandang buhay! You are still watching Project SOAR. This has been your moderator in elementary, Rogelio M. Baniquet, Master Teacher 1 at Eulogio Rodriguez Integrated School. For our closing remarks, let us hear our math coordinator in elementary, Dr. Josephine T. Agustin.
A pleasant day to everyone. In behalf of the strong teaching force of Eulogio Rodriguez Integrated School, I would like to give my appreciation and thanks to everyone who watched and will continue to watch Project SOAR. I would like also to commend SDO Mandaluyong, headed by Dr. Romela M. Cruz, the CID Chief, Dr. Aline G. Mendoza, the talented Education Program Supervisor in Mathematics, Mr. Restituto I. Rodelas, and of course, our ever-supportive and fatherly principal, Mr. Romeo E. Bandal, for this great opportunity to be a part of this program. Making video lesson is not that easy, especially for those who are not used to it. So my big thanks to the following teachers who accepted the challenge, namely Miss Karen Montemayor, Mrs. Noemi Ching, Mrs. Jocelyn Haluber, Mrs. Zenaida Santos, Miss Jonalyn Doma, Mrs. Jovi Salandanan, and to our handsome moderator, Mr. Rogelio Baniquet. To all our learners and home learning partners, thank you. Math-sayang mag-aral, tayo nang matuto. Dahil ang batang mandunong, walang may iwan, lahat kabahagi ng bilang. Keep safe and God bless everyone.